Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Ghost Recon Wildlands error code 10011? If so, you're not alone. This error, which reads launch error 10011, couldn't start the game. We're sorry, we have a problem starting your game. Please help us by reporting this issue. Often appears when players attempt to launch the game. While the specific cause of this error remains somewhat elusive, we've compiled a list of potential fixes that may help you resolve this issue. But before diving into these troubleshooting methods, it's worth restarting your device and checking for any pending game updates. First up, if you're playing on the Game Pass, ensure that your Ubisoft account is linked to the Game Pass. If you haven't done so, or have linked the wrong account, make the necessary changes and check for the error again. Next, consider repairing the Easy Anti-Cheat. After doing so, restart your device and see if the error has been resolved. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the Easy Anti-Cheat. If the error still comes up, check for updates for your drivers or operating system. Install any pending updates, and then try playing the game again. In some cases, the device's security may interfere with game functions. Try disabling your device's security software, including Windows Firewall and any third-party antivirus application. If the error disappears, make sure to allow the game and its related files under your security programs. If all else fails, reach out to Ubisoft support. Describe the issue and the troubleshooting steps you've taken so far. In summary, to tackle the Ghost Recon Wildlands error code 10011, you can try linking your Ubisoft account to the Game Pass, repairing or reinstalling the Easy Anti-Cheat, updating your drivers or operating system, disabling your device's security software, or contacting Ubisoft support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.